Hello everyone, a blissful morning all. Welcome back to English class. Today I am gonna teach you lesson 1. So listen the lesson carefully. Okay my dear, the topic of the lesson, Rita and Zitu go in search of water. And my dear students, I hope you know how the water plays an important role in our life. Am I right? Without water, can you imagine a day? Right? Without water, can you imagine a day? No, we can't live even a single day without water. Am I right? Yeah, it is very important. Am I right? So water is very important for our life. Am I right? So listen the lesson carefully. Okay, what happened here we'll see in the lesson. So it was late in the night. Rita was fast asleep and dreaming. So very late night, Rita, a girl, right, who is a main character of the lesson. Rita is a main character of the lesson. Got it, my dear? Yes, Rita was a fast asleep and dreaming. Fast asleep means in a deep sleep. Okay. In her dream, a spaceship landed on her terrace. In her dream, a spaceship landed on her terrace. What is the meaning for terrace? Terrace, mota madi, right? So in her dream, she just dreamed like a spaceship landed on her terrace. So a strange creature came out and stood near her. So a strange means unknown. Okay, strange means unknown creature came out and stood. Stood means stand, past form, stood near her, right? And see, this is a spaceship. Okay, this is a spaceship and this is a strange creature. Okay, so I'm Zitu and I'm looking for some pure water to drink. So the strange creature asked to the girl Rita. What the strange creature asking, right? I'm Zitu, I'm looking for some pure water. Looking, which means searching. What is that? Looking, which means searching. Okay, ma'am? Yes. And Rita did not feel scared. Scared, which means bayapradu. She did not scared to see the strange creator. Rita did not feel scared to see the strange creator. I will help you find it. So what she replies? She said, I will help you to find it. She did not get any fear to see the strange creature, right? And Rita took Zitu to a lake. What is the meaning for lake? Lake is a kulam. Am I right? Lake na another kulam. So, however, Zitu was shocked to see people bathing and washing clothes in it. So, Zitu was shocked. Shocked means, the reaction, shock. Am I right? Yes. So, Zitu was shocked to see people bathing and washing clothes in it. So, the Zitu got shocked. The people are washing and bathing in the in the lake. So, he said, this water is impure. So, this water is impure. Impure means not clear. What is that? Impure means not clear. Got it, my dear? Yeah. So, people have polluted it with soap and dirt. So, first, Rita takes Zitu to the lake. To the lake to drink water. But what Zitu said? Zitu said, no, this water is not pure. Why? Because people have polluted it with soap and dirt. So then Rita took Zitu to a river. Next, Rita took Zitu to a river. So the next, Zitu saw some factories by the riverside. So in that time, Zitu saw some factories by the riverside. He looked closely at the water and this water is of no use to. This water is of no use to remarked Zito. So Zito என்ன சொல்கிறான்? No, இந்த வாட்டரும் சரியில்லாத வாட்டர் நல்லா இல்லைன்னு சொல்கிறான். So these factories dump their waste into the river. Dump, throw carelessly. Dumped means throw carelessly. So they poison the water. So near the river there are some factories. So the factory people, they just dump their waste. So this water is also not good. I can't drink the water. So first Zito refused to drink lake water. Then it refused to drink the river water also. Got it? So next, when can I get clean water? So Zito is asking, when can I get the clean water? Wondered Rita. So Rita also wondered. Suddenly she thought of the well. Well na enadhu? Kenaru. Am I right? Well na enadhu ma? Kenaru. So she thought of well. So the girl Rita thought of well near her house. So she took Zito to the well. So later Rita takes Zito to the well. And Zito said, even this water is impure. It is full of chemicals. So what it replies? Even this water is impure. It is full of chemicals. How can it be? So the girl asking, how is it possible? Is it a well water? How it get impure? இது வந்து கிணத்து தண்ணி, இந்த தண்ணியில் என்னாச்சு, இது எப்படி impure ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்லி Rita asking to Zito. Got it, my dear? Yeah. So asked Rita in surprise, it comes from under the ground. So Rita replies that the well water only comes from under the ground. So how it get impure? So Zito replies, water from rain, lakes, rivers and fields seeps into the soil. Seeps into, slowly flows into. Am I right? So slowly seeps into means slowly flows into the soil. It seeps into wells too. It seeps into wells too. So this spoil the clean water in it. So this spoil the clean water in it. This well water smells of insecticides. Insecticides, which means chemicals that are used to kill insects. ஸோ இது வந்து ஒவ்வொரு இடமா அப்படியே மெதுவாக படர்ந்து வரனால அதில் என்ன ஆகிடுக்கு, கெமிக்கல்ஸ்லாம் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். இந்த கெமிக்கல்ஸ்லாம் எப்படிப்பட்ட கெமிக்கல்ஸ்னால் தட் ஆர் யூஸ் டு கில் த இன்செக்ட்ஸ். அவ்வளோ ஒரு கெட்ட தண்ணியாக மாறி இருக்கும் இந்த கிணத்து தண்ணின்னு சொல்லி யார் சொல்கிறா? Zito. Okay, so it is not pure, explained Zito unhappily. So a lot of hard work and time is needed to make water clean. So big machines are used to purify the water from rivers and lakes. So everything Zito is explaining to the girl. So Zito said a lot of hard work and time is needed to make water clean. So big machines are used to purify the water from rivers and lakes. So everything Zito is explaining to Rita. So only then is it carried to houses, offices and factories through pipes. Just think, can you live without water for even a day? No, was Rita's quick reply. So when Zito asked to Rita, can you live without water for even a day? So Rita replies, no, I couldn't live even a single day without water. So how do we solve this problem? Rita asked to Zito, how do we solve the problem? Zito smiled and explained, people should use water very carefully. People should use water very carefully. Water is a life. Water is a life. So all animals and plants needed water to live. If humans continue to pollute water, then all living things will die. Among all the plants, only earth has water, and each one of you must work to keep it clean. So I think I will get clean water only in Antarctica, right? So what Zito replies, water is very important for the life. And people should use water very carefully, and water is life. All animals and plants need water to live. So if humans continue to pollute water, all living things will die. Among all the planets, only earth has water, and each one of you must work to keep it clean. So I think I will get clean water. I think means Zito, right? Zito think get clean water only in Antarctica, right? Why he can get clean water in Antarctica? Rita knew that Antarctica as a continent, nobody lived there because it was very cold, so the water there would be clean and pure. So Zito said, I'm going to Antarctica, but remember, you can't go there every time. You need pure water. Bye-bye. So the spaceship slowly took off and soon disappeared into the sky. Rita woke up, but Zito's message stayed in her mind. She would tell everyone about importance of keeping water clean. Got it? So from this lesson, what you come to know? Yeah, water is very important thing in our life. So we should use the water peacefully, correctly, right? Whatever it is needed, we have to use the water, right? We should not waste the water. Got it, my dear? And water plays an important role in our life. Okay, my dear, so please keep the things in your mind, and you have to use the water in your home also. You have to use the water in a proper manner. Okay, if it is needed, you have to use. Unnecessarily, you should not waste the water. Got it, my dear? I hope it's clear. Yeah, here there are some new words. Look at the new words here. Remark, said, dump, throw carelessly, seeps into, slowly flows into. Insecticides, chemicals that are used to kill insects. Okay, so these are the new words here. Only there are 4 new words. Learn it well, read the lesson twice and thrice. Read it well, then only you will get a better understanding. And today's homework, these 4 new words, you have to learn it well and write it once. Got it, my dear? I hope it's clear. Thank you, my dear. Catch you soon in some other video.